about to say St. Lucia.
Hi, we're on our way to Long Island, one of the most beautiful islands in the Commonwealth of Bahamas.
She's just
We're excited for both of us. This is our first time, right, Lena?
It's your first time for me?
This is my very first time. But the plane looked like it's still jumping all over the place. I'm having a little problem here. This is just absolutely gorgeous.
Look how close we are to the water,
It
guys.
is gorgeous.
I can't cut my film yet.
Ooh, Lena, look at that one with the orange and the pink. Oh my god, the pink house. Oh my gosh. Shall I tell them I'm falling in love with Bahamas? Look at that house on stilts. The one on stilts. That's how we do that.
That sounds so nice.
What are they talking about, guys?
Okay. Oh, and okay, we're back. We're almost there.
I mean, that's a take your camera.
So you see, there are a lot of shrubbery.
Mommy, you do.
It's really nice.
So we are officially in Long Island. It is extremely hot right now. Don't know what we're doing, waiting for my mother and her crew. We actually are here for work. Well, she's here for work. I just came along with her. I'm touching my hair because there's nothing else to do. So we're just waiting to do that. Then we'll be going wherever we're supposed to be going. It's really
This area where we most of us are. Most of the people who sponge in our area, some of the guys already gone. I see some didn't leave it. That's my boat out there with the chimney thing on it. And I'll go around here. Now I can tell you now, I can give you a fair warning. This when the sponge died, I don't consider it stink. I consider it sweet, but most people who ain't used, you know what? I guess the scent is not a pleasant one. The screen is already crumbling. So he cleaned yesterday. These are all of these are grass sponge. There's no wool sponge in here. The grass sponges have that golden look, the gold color. The sponge that my son and I clean in the front, there's some wool in that, so you'll see that you'll be able to compare it and see the difference. Here's all the sweet stuff that I was telling you about. They just put the sponge in the water today, so when the sponge dies, this is what it leaves.
And the sponge, right?
And when you put the sponge in the land, it dies. And sponge have worms in it, so when they die, it's the kind of stuff it leaves.
Okay.
Maybe not wise to walk in it.
What do y'all call it?
We call it gurry.
Yeah, that's like in the water.
Now yesterday, these some of the sponges my son and I cleaned. Now we got these from Exuma.
So would you say
Yeah,
they're
we
not
run
doing
Exuma
sponge in
sometime.
Exuma, right?
We go to Hawkey, which is the most easterly, that's the beginning of the Exuma chain on the east side. And we go there, there's a lot of sponge there, but mostly grass sponge. You have to pick through them because some of them have holes in it, but we mainly go for the wool. Now you can see here, let me get it. See these, see the color of this and the texture?
Which sponge you said this is?
Wool, this wool.
Oh, okay, I just gonna.
See, those are grass. You can see the color.
Okay.
Those the golden ones are grass. These are the wool sponge. We got these from Exuma.
I want you to take one with me talking to Mr. You photobomb in my picture.
You know,
Okay.
as I was saying, the white ones, this color, it's the wool sponge. This is the sponge that you get more money for. A sponge like this, you probably get like $3-4 for. These
I think they get a little bit more in
Abaco.
Abaco. Well, Abaco, that's Abaco. I don't know what goes on Abaco.
Okay.
I tell you here.
Is
And
it
even to
sponge
get
in the
that
water,
is,
Chris?
even to get that is you know, is somewhat a tall order.
This is into
These over here, as I said, is grass sponge. They have the golden look,
Make up the thing, doctor.
but they're not as valuable as the wool sponge. A little bit, but very elastic. You know.
So Mr. Bell, after it's 50, how long do you keep it here until it gets rid of all the black stuff?
Just a day. When we come in, Like what? See, let me show you what we got yesterday. Plenty fish around here, man. All kind of fish. Anyway, you put sponge, they come to feed, and so they live. They kind of live here. Now these ones down here is a couple that my son and I got yesterday. And these are the sponge that we have in the water soaking. These are the ones that we got yesterday. We'll put these in the water. I'll put these in the water this afternoon. Now these are when they're really sweet. Like if you want to go out to a party or something, just take one of those and put it on you and you go out and you probably get all the attention. These were here from yesterday afternoon.
Oh, yeah.
And so when this afternoon sometime I'll put them in the water.
Let me ask you something. Have you ever tried any other method for cleaning?
Yeah, but some people have different, do different things. Some people don't use the string. You see, we have string. We string them up, like I said, 10 on a string. But a lot of people, it's not a lot, but some people put the sponge in fish pots. And the reason they do that is because as the sea moves, the sponge is able to move, and it's like a washing machine effect. And so the sponge kind of cleans itself.
The guys in Tappan Springs, they use the blankets, but they go out and they sponge for like a couple days.
Yeah, they go out and they stay.
And they
And go out and get the biggest sponge and the most sponge and make the most money off the sponge. And so that part to it is exciting. And then it's good exercise. It keeps you sexy,
So do you do
I'm almost 60 years old, but I could go out and swim with any 20-year-old and dive with any 20-year-old,
Do you do any other kind of fishing or just
Yeah,
sponging?
I go in fishing in a little while. I go in hand line and I go crawfishing.
But sponging is...
Like I said, I work for government from I was 17 and a half years old. I worked for government for 30. I used to be a family island. And
Use that to bathe with.
You can use that to apply makeup too.
Okay.
What?
Yeah, that's what they use in the upscale stores and stuff like that.
I mean, like the beauty blenders.
Yes.
You cut the hard
We using this.
Expensive.
Most of the expensive ones are organic
Are you
sponge,
serious?
but the cheap ones they synthetic.
Mommy, you know how expensive beauty blenders are?
These things you could use them for so much different.
You can use the sponge for beauty blender.
You can use it for just a regular.
Oh my
They came out
goodness.
with salt water. They haven't
That's a serious market.
there haven't been any solution.
Yes. All right. Here we go now.
Guys, so we are at Dan's Blue Hole here in Long Island. I really wish I trust myself swimming, guys. But this is so beautiful. I love it.
Meters.
Okay, guys, so I don't know if you understand the fault of this part here. The jumper part there. That's where everyone is right over there. 200. Mommy, you cannot be doing.
Let's stop.
She's trying to vlog. I don't know what she's doing. So they're actually practicing. They're doing free diving here. So the deeper. So it actually goes in like different, like an ombre. Where they actually are. It's 200 meters deep, guys. So literally, if we stop like right there, that's where the blue hole starts. Crazy.
You really are. You really are. It doesn't really matter if your heart isn't torn. It's trivial. Be honest. Can you share?